In this video, we're going to look at number machines. The first question is asking us to put 4 into the number machine to see what number comes out. So I'm going to put 4 in. Now the first thing I do to it is times it by 5. So 4 times 5 is 20. And then to the 20 I add 3 to it. So 20 add 3 is 23. So my answer is 23. In the second question, we're going to look at finding what went into the machine given that we got 7 as the answer. So how we do this is we work backwards and we reverse everything that happens to it. So we end with 7 and the last thing that happens to 7 is plus 1. So as we're going the other way around, we're going to do the opposite than adding 1 is taking 1 away. So if I take 7 and I take 1 away, that gives me 6. Now the first thing that happened, it was going to be divided by 9, so the opposite would be times by 9. So to get 6, I'm going to times it by 9, and that gives me 54. So I started with 54. Now you can always check it by putting 54 in, divided by 9, which would give me 6, and adding 1 gives me 7 to check. In this last question, it's asking us to look at the following number machines and follow the rules to build up an expression for each one. So this first question is saying that we start with A, we're then going to multiply it by 9 and then add 10. So if I start with A and I multiply it by 9, well that could be written as A times 9 and then add 10. So A times 9 add 10. Now just remember A times 9 we can simplify that, write that neater as 9A plus 10. The next one we've got is E divided by 4 subtract 3. So first we're going to divide by 4, so E divided by 4, and then we subtract 3 from that, take away 3. And again, we can tidy this up by writing E divided by 4 as E over 4, remember that means the same thing, take away 3. So there's my two answers.